Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could save your life on the road: tire sidewall damage and when it's time to replace that tire. If you've ever hit a pothole or scraped a curb and wondered if your tire is still safe, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. First off, what's the sidewall of a tire? It's the rubbery side wall that connects the tread to the wheel rim, and it's designed to hold air pressure and support your vehicle's weight. Unlike the tread, which wears down gradually, the sidewall isn't meant to take direct hits, making damage here potentially dangerous. So, how do you spot sidewall damage? Look for bulges, which indicate internal weaknesses, deep cuts or punctures that go beyond the surface, cracks from age or exposure, or any embedded objects like nails. These issues often come from rough roads, curbs, or debris. For instance, if you drive over a pothole, it might not seem bad at first, but it could weaken the sidewall over time. Now, why is this a big deal? A damaged sidewall can lead to a sudden blowout while you're driving, causing loss of control, accidents, or even rollovers. According to safety experts, if there's any bulge or a cut deeper than 1/4 of an inch, you should replace the tire immediately. Don't risk it, especially in 2025, with more advanced vehicles relying on precise handling. To inspect your tires, make it a habit to check them monthly. Use a bright light and run your hands along the sides for any irregularities. If you're unsure, take it to a professional mechanic. They have the tools to spot hidden problems. In summary, always prioritize safety over savings. Replacing a tire might seem like a hassle, but it's way better than dealing with a roadside emergency. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent most issues. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and let us know in the comments if you've had a sidewall scare. Drive safe out there.